Assalamu alaikum student, this is an exercise of the previous video which I explained you. Stone soup. So you have to write this question and answer into your notebook to study. Now these are question and answers. Pay attention. Answer the following question. A. Where does the story take place? Answer is, the story takes place in a village. I hope children that you remembered the story about the stone soup. B. List the characters in the play and write 1 or 2 lines about each. So do you remember that how many characters are there in this stories in this stone soup? And you may also know what the characters about. So here are answer. Here is the answer. Motiram. He is a farmer. He is very direct and rude with unwanted guests. Second, Sonabai. She is a farmer's wife. She too doesn't like uninvited guests. She is clever at making excuses. Third, Hirabai. She doesn't like to waste good food and money on others. She is also good at making excuses. Fourth character, Rupabai. She is a simple lady. She is not as clever in making excuses as her neighbors. She usually speaks the truth. Next, last is Traveler. He is poor and footsore and hungry, but he is very clever. He managed to get food from villagers. So these are the characters, and we also wrote some 1 or 2 lines about them. There are many children, but the question asks that you have to write only 1 to 2 sentences. Okay. Now see. Find what Hirabai tells the traveler by reading her words from right to left. You remember, children, there are some words, some 1 to sentence are there in the lesson. So how the Hirabai is making excuses by saying rubbish language. So that the word, if you see the properly that word, children, that is a that words are written into in the last from the starting, like the OG, they are given OG, that's make Giogo. In that textbook they are written YAWA, so it's become AWAY, away, then ON, but it is NO, like that all words are written over there. So first one is go away, no food and no rest for anyone here. And second one, good, I do not want you to go elsewhere. Now D. Apart from the stone, how many things go into the soup? When that stranger started making the soup, so apart from the stone, what the other ingredient he put into the soup? Answer is, apart from the stone, the following things go into the soup: peeled potatoes, tomatoes, carrot, beans, onions, ginger, salt and pepper. E. Does the traveler really have a magic stone? Does he really have, children? No. No, the traveler does not have a magic stone. The magic is the feeling of wanting to stir in the heart of people. And traveler doesn't have any magic stone. Now last one is, list 5 questions from the passage which can be answered with yes or no. These are questions which you find in your textbook. The answer should be yes or no. Do you think that is right? Second, can I please have some food and a place to rest for the night? Third question, Can I have some food? Fourth, any food for a hungry traveler? Fifth, all you need is a pot of water. So, children, this is a exercise of this lesson. Please write down this question and answer and learn it by heart. At any time, I will be take test of these lesson. Not only this, which I have given you previous one. So get ready, be prepared, learn again, take test. Thank you.